So what we're doing for seeing teachers as creating tools for teachers as design scientists is creating libraries of learning designs. For each one, we show that pattern working in 3 different subject areas. So if you teach economics and you're looking at a pattern for music, you might think, oh, it's nothing to do with me. But when you see that same pattern can also work for physics and can also work for English literature, you might see that there is something common there, which actually could be good for me. So it's very important to help teachers see how we can share these things. If you find a design you like, you can adopt it and adapt it, as I showed. It's eliciting, the tool is eliciting the detail of what you mean by each part of that design, and it's giving you feedback on what kind of learning experience you're creating. It's prompting you to collect analytics through the system, and it's collecting that data when you run it in Moodle. Students can also annotate it as part of the evaluation process, and then you've got something you can publish. So graphically speaking, it's like a design cycle. So you start with something which you can take from somebody else, you can adapt it, and in the adaptation process, you're getting feedback, and you can go and redesign, and you get more feedback on what kind of learning experience you've created, and then you can redesign, so that's another design cycle. You test it with your students, and then redesign it, and then test it again. When you've got something you like, publish it. It's now a pattern which other people using your system can also use. So we're building on other people's designs. We're making links to existing content resources, and we're redesigning those existing content resources in the way in which we use them in our teaching. So it's a way of enabling the whole community to build that kind of community design knowledge about how best to use new technology. We're sharing designs and sharing resources.